Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will discuss about Boyle law, and in Boyle law, we will prove that how PV is equal to K. We know that according to Boyle law, volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of at constant temperature. This law means that if we increase pressure, the volume of the gas will decrease, and we know that why the volume of the gas decreases, because there are spaces. If there are large spaces among the molecules of gas, so when we increase pressure, the molecule become closer and their volume and the gas volume become decreased. So V is inversely proportional to P. And now when we have to remove the proportionality sign, we will introduce the equality sign, and in introducing the equality sign, we will put a constant here. So V is equal to K divided by P. Now we will now if we put the P here, PV will become K. Okay, the equation will become PV is equal to K. तो जो इक्वेशन बन जाएगा वो ये होगा कि PV is equal to K. तो इसका मतलब ये है, now the PV is equal to K mean that the product of pressure and volume is constant. So we will check that how the product of pressure and volume is a constant. And also we know that for initial condition P1 V1 is equal to K. P1 V1 is equal to K, and P2 V2 is equal to K. It is for initial condition and it is for final condition. So from here we can derive that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Now how PV is equal to constant and how P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. For this we will illustrate as follow. We will take pressure and volume and also PV. So if we take the pressure 4 atmosphere and volume 8 let we suppose that there is a gas which have a volume of 8 decimeter cube at pressure of 4 atmosphere. So we will take it initial pressure, and this will be initial volume. Now the product P1 V1 will be equal to 4 into 8 is equal to 32. So जो जवाब आएगा वो 32 आएगा. Okay, now if we increase the pressure from 4 atmosphere to 8 atmosphere, it means if we double the pressure, then it is clear from the Boyle law that the volume will become half. So the volume will become 4 decimeter cube. जब हम प्रेशर को डबल करेंगे तो वॉल्यूम 4 decimeter को आ जाएगा, मतलब वॉल्यूम हाफ हो जाएगा. तो जब हम when we will multiply 8 into 4, we will get 32. So P2 V2 will be equal to 32. So from this one thing is clear that PV is equal to K. मतलब ये हुआ कि PV का जो वैल्यू है वो चेंज नहीं होता. यहाँ पर भी 32 है और यहाँ पर भी 32 है. दूसरा जो चीज़ हमको प्रूव हुआ वो ये हुआ कि P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 because P1 value is 32. The value of P1 is 32 and also the value of P2 is 32. So it is clear that PV will remain constant. Okay.